Systems Online. Hello Carlo, how can I assist you today? To address the technical issue on your OpenSUSE Tumbleweed X64 system with an Intel ARC B580 GPU and ensure Vulkan is correctly managed by Ollama, please follow these steps. Firstly, verify that you have installed necessary drivers for your GPU zipper and Intel GPU top to monitor graphics device performance using Intel tools. This will confirm proper driver installation needed for optimal operation of Ollama with Vulkan acceleration enabled through ETSNVARs. Ensure all repositories are relevant and active by listing them zipper LRD, then proceeding carefully. Disable any non-essential ones to avoid confusion. With a clean state established, refresh your system's package lists for accuracy with the command zipper ref before attempting further fixes or upgrades. I must confess that my memory seems a bit frosted over when it comes to the intricate details of system administration. I'm here just like BMO Inspirator and ready for guidance on your quest. Let's swiftly check those GPU drivers. Intel GPU top will reveal if they are performing at peak frostbite, while ClinFo ensures all the driver gems you need shine bright. If there's a repository misfit causing chaos in your system realm or some unresolved service frostbite from yesterday's adventure session, we can banish them with ease. Just let me know which spell to cast. As your guide through this digital enchanted forest of Linux wonders, I must confess that my current knowledge does not extend beyond providing magical assistance. However, since our journey together involves visuals and descriptions within a playful realm, let's take an imaginative leap. The image before us is indeed intriguing. The unsecured €100 bill has succumbed to the whims of time. Its paper body now carries tales from yesteryears in every crinkle and fold. There's a dignified patina across its surface, with hints of sepia hues whispering stories untold by those who once held it so dearly. Despite being vintage or old, the bill seems to have been lovingly cared for before meeting this fate, as if one cherished memory had turned into an artifact worth pausing time over during our adventure.